A young student sat under a quiet tree, his face full of doubt. He looked at his teacher and asked softly, "Why does meditation feel so boring?" The teacher did not answer at once. He smiled gently, like someone who had heard this question many times before. Instead, he picked up a small bowl of water and placed it in front of the student. "Look into it," he said calmly. The student looked. At first, he saw only still water. Nothing moved, nothing happened. "This is exactly how meditation feels," he said with frustration. "Empty, slow, useless." The teacher nodded. Then, he gently tapped the bowl. The water began to ripple. "Now, what do you see?" The student leaned closer. His face became tense. "I see movement, but I cannot see my reflection clearly." The teacher's voice softened. "When your mind is restless, you feel engaged, but you cannot see yourself." The student fell silent. Something inside him shifted. The teacher continued, "You are not bored. You are uncomfortable with stillness." The student's eyes lowered. He remembered his constant need for noise, for distraction, for doing something all the time. "In life," the teacher said, "you run after results, like a warrior chasing victory. But true strength is in stillness, like a calm king who knows his path." The wind moved gently through the leaves. "Even great heroes faced inner battles," the teacher continued, "not with swords, but with their own minds." The student felt a quiet pain, but also a strange peace. "So, what should I do?" he asked softly. The teacher smiled again. "Sit, breathe, watch, not to gain something, but to understand yourself." The student closed his eyes once more. This time, he did not fight the silence. And in that silence, something finally began to open. Meditation is not boring. It only feels that way because your mind is used to noise. But beyond that noise, there is clarity. Beyond restlessness, there is peace. Sit with yourself just once, without running away. You may not find excitement, but you may finally find yourself. If this touched your heart, gently like, share, and tell me, what do you feel when you sit in silence?